Today we're gonna make a simple creamy dill potato salad. So over here we have some fresh creamer potatoes. Before we boil them, we're gonna just cut them in half and put them straight into the pot. By cutting the potatoes in half, they're gonna cook a lot quicker. Add some water to the potatoes, put some kosher salt, and let's cook. Cook it till you could stick a fork in it easily. Take the potatoes out of the water and make sure they cool off a little. As you're waiting for the potatoes to cool down, you could start making the vinaigrette. I'm gonna start off with some Dijon Mustard, some avocado oil, a dash of red wine vinegar, some salt, some pepper, and just whisk it all together. Now you just put the vinaigrette, mix it all together, add your sour cream, add your mayonnaise, mix it all up, cut your green onions, add your green onions, you have your dill, add your dill, mix it all up. There you have it, a delicious creamy dill potato salad. You could eat it all by its own, or you can have it as a side dish. Let's dig in. Simple, easy, quick to make, and absolutely delicious. If you like this recipe, subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.